During this pandemic COVID period, studies have shown that we are sleeping less. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Sleep Right, Live Bright, one of the 100 talks under iGROW Fit. You are here because your company has signed up for our shared services. I'm Maria Blanksaingtip. I'll be your facilitator, your speaker for today. Sleep is something that all of us have to do. It's essential, just like breathing. But there are some of us who are having more trouble sleeping than others. Can you tell me how much sleep do you get on average per night? Average in Singapore, we get about 6.8 hours of sleep per night. The average that we have is well below the recommended time of 8 to 9 hours. During this COVID period, studies have shown that we are sleeping less. In fact, 3 in 10 Singaporeans are sleeping less during this time. And if you happen to be one of them that you're struggling to sleep more during this time, well, you are not alone. And I want to assure you that perhaps this is a natural response to the body. We are in a pandemic, we're in a crisis, there's a lot of uncertainty and changes that's happening around us. And perhaps the body is going into a little bit of that overdrive, trying to ensure that we are safe, that you are safe, your families are safe, and there's just a lot of things going on in our mind. Due to this, the body is trying to fight, trying to make sure that we survive during this uncertainty, and it's being more alert. Each and every one of us have this body clock inside of us. Light is important to help us adjust to the body clock, that our body is in sync with the environment that we are in. Another awareness for you to take note is to understand if you're having problems, sleep problem right now. Okay, I talk about phones and technology, how it emits blue light, and it seems like a terrible thing to use technology. But technology can help you in this case to understand about your sleep pattern better. Even on your watch, if you have a smartwatch or the phone, there are likely to be functions for you to monitor your sleep pattern. What are some of the things that you can do to ensure that the body, when you're lying down, and then especially if it's like a very hard day at work and then your mind is still like alert and then you don't want to toss and turn. Deep breathing helps you. And if we're able to get the body to relax, it reduces the tension, it sends the signal to our body that we are okay. There's nothing bad that's going to happen, so the body doesn't have to be on high alert.